And I will be showing you how to make a paper airplane. First, you need to fold the sides over like this. Then you need to fold it over because that's the best way. I'm telling you. If you do it another way, whoo, Bubba. Then you need to fold the sides over like this. So that's good. Then you need to fold the other side down like this. Then, for your example, you need to go like this. Then you need to get a pair of scissors. And then you need to fold, kind of cut right here, 2 snaps, and kind of fold it up. And then the other way. Thank you and enjoy your fitness.